So, yeah, welcome students. Today is 1st February. Oh, I forgot to wish you the 1st February day. So, this month is gonna be like leap year. Wait, not leap year. To 2022. So 2022, how many days are in 2022 in February?
I don't
Calendar,
know.
February calendar. Let me see. So if it becomes 29 days, that means we are gonna get a leap year. No, it's not. So we have 28 days. So we got like 28 days, and in 28 days, I believe we can progress a lots of topics in mathematics. As you all know, like, do you have a list of mathematics topics? Let me give me a moment. I'll just grab the syllabus, okay?
Okay,
And
sir.
can you hear me loud and clear, all of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
We're going to learn how to do addition, multiplication, and subtraction today. Fraction and decimal. Okay? Numbers. Okay, be right back. I be like, where is it? I cannot find it, the syllabus. But by the way, yeah, some of you took a picture of the syllabus in the WhatsApp group, right? Let me see if I can get it. So, Suraya, welcome. How are you? Let me give an attendance.
Yeah, hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. How do you do? Okay, then attendance H. Okay, attendance H. So today came in Fatima, B, Hamida, B, and then Suraya. Okay. Yeah, Suraya. What did you do yesterday? H. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Suraya, can you hear me? Hello. Okay. I guess I will stop
Try on.
asking. Where is that picture? Okay, it can. Hey, there it is. I found it. Somebody, Fatima sent it.
Yes, sir.
So this was okay. I'll say number system. After that, we have exponents and radicals. Okay. Then
Okay.
numeric expression, mean, median, logarithm, all of these are really easy. Everything is easy. But there's a thing, rate, ratio, proportion, and percentage. There's like lots of mathematics. So it's kind of a little bit intermediate, not easy. And others are basic trigonometry, graph, set and function, probability. These are like so easy. If you guys like, what is it called? Try 2 hour, like 1 hour mathematics or 2 hours mathematics a day. Like, how about that? You have 24 hours a day. Okay, you make schedule like 6 hours sleep, and then eating. For eating, you don't need more time, but we do take 3 meals a day, so 3 hours, you get 9 hours. And then you after have some things like chilling and other things, you can take 5 hours. But remember, you have to study for at least 3 hours, I think, just because you want to be like successful and become, what is it called, a really good student who want. Okay, what did you want to be again? I forgot. Miss Fatima,
Yes, sir.
what did you want to be? Like, what's your aim in life?
Computer scientist.
Computer scientist. So
Yeah.
you know what you have to be good in mathematics, programming
Yes.
isn't that easy, and also English. So you
Yes.
have to study for like 3 or 4 hours at least. Okay. And you
Five
know what,
hours.
I would just say, yeah, 5 hours is minimum. And I would just say go for the applications, like
Okay.
mathematics have applications like what?
Yes.
Like mathematics has applications like in geometry, like in designing. Okay, they have shapes
Yes.
and figures, and then you have, you can try drawing shape and figures. You can try using Photoshop, like
Yes.
make a 5 by 5 photo, make a 10 by 5 photo. Okay, you understand the
Okay,
width
sir.
and the length there. I'm talking about the application,
Yes.
all of you. Okay, Hamida, Suraya, what are the math applications of mathematics? Just not going to the shopkeeper, asking, giving him $10 and buying something, not like that. It's not only the use of mathematics. There's so more mathematics in it. Like think about like the chair that you're sitting on right now, or your okay, some people lie down in bed then they take classes. That happens. Okay, so it's fine. And also the room that you're staying, what square feet it is. Okay, look at the computer screen, what is its length. You have a mobile phone, what its weight. Okay, there's a height, there's a height, there's a weight of that mobile phone. Look around, look how much distance that your eye can go, and then you see horizon. Horizon is like the when the world meets end. So when you look outside and look far away, you're gonna see something. So what can that length be that your eyesight it is? Mhm. So there's so much mathematics in regular things that we do. Like think about it. You wake up in the morning, you set the alarm. You set the alarm and it's like kind of like you have, it determines how many hours have you slept. Okay. And depending on that, after that, you take what is it called, 250 ml of water. There's some quantity, like one glass of water, I would say. Yes, 250 ml is the quantity. And then there, some people like to, what is it called, get warm water, since this is winter. Okay, so what did they do? They turn on the stove or they use the heater. Yeah, okay, they put the water on, and there's one point, like this 100 degrees Celsius, and the water starts to boil. Okay, you understand, Fatima and Suraya and Hamida?
Yes, sir.
So the boiling of
Yes, sir.
water is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, it's gonna be, yeah, something like that. And also there are most of the things that requires mathematics in it, the measurement, the quantity, okay, the distance, the length, the time is also a mathematic. And so also the calendar,
Yes.
every day in a calendar is one mathematics to learn. Okay, so every day that we are applying mathematics in every cases, we just don't have to be good in studies, we already know mathematics. I would say
Yes.
take it easy. You're gonna be what you're gonna be if you start believing, if you start putting yourself in that position. Like right now I'm telling Fatima what to do. Like don't just go study the whole book 3 4 5 hours a day. Just don't do that. Not only just do that, just, you can do like 2 hour studies, you can do three
Yes.
hours of application. What will application will do is so much better. Like I'll tell you what, I couldn't be a teacher from here. Okay, AUW wouldn't select me in an interview, but I had experience teaching, public speaking. So what I did was application in other platforms. Okay, when I had to teach lots of different, from different ethnicities, different kind, I was so happy and I was so easy, and I was like thinking, oh damn, it is so easy because of the
Yes.
application. Understand, Fatima?
Yes, sir.
So I'm not really good at mathematics as you guys, really. I'm just being honest. I just know how to teach. Okay, and what you have
Okay,
to
that's
do,
important.
that's important. Like yeah,
Yeah.
a teacher doesn't have to be the scholar. A teacher has to
Yeah.
be a guide. So I want to be a guide,
Yes.
not a scholar to you. Like every solution, I don't have every solution to my your question. Sometimes even I search on Google when I don't get the answer, or look at the answer sheet. Okay, that's how it is. That's how the truth is. So I'm just saying about the truth. What you have to do is Do the things that a person in your profession do, like the person, like what a nurse do, what a doctor do. Try to think about it. You don't have to do it. Try to know what is the application there, like they how to bandage a patient, how to apply an injection. Okay, the small things, how to take notes. Obviously every day take logs. Logs are like that, they help you remember in your brain inputting the data. Like how would I say, today we learned fraction. Okay, what would you do at the end of the class? You have a Google Keep, you have a diary, you have a notebook. Try writing that today our Mr. Ishad was talking way too much. He was so annoying. And he told us to study for this and this, but there's no, he didn't even start to teach for 30 minutes. He just told us how to study. Okay, so what you have to do,
Yes.
all of you, as you're studying in Asian university, you don't know the value of this university. So great, so awesome university for you, a woman. In Bangladesh, there are some universities that are kind of like brilliant. We don't have good economy, we don't have good, what is it called, politics, we don't have good roads and technology, but we do have great universities. Not good, but they're great. Okay, even in India, in Bangladesh, in, yeah, Pakistan too. I don't know about Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka doesn't have universities, but they do have high schools and some good standards. But I would say in Bangladesh you're gonna get really awesome universities. So Asian university will give you lots of to offer. You're gonna know about library, you're gonna know about dancing club, you're gonna know about poetry club, singing club. Okay, how much can you explore? And you don't have to be exploring everything in life. You have to know what you require. For you, it's so easy, Fatima. You don't even have to go in the next room from you because you want to be a computer scientist. What you have to do, start application, like try a web development for trying for 2 hours a day, at least. Like just try it. So much fun. So much fun. There apply mathematics there, English there. If you're doing application by yourself without earning money, you're learning. You just, learning is not in the books. Learning is what you are doing every time. Even right now we are talking, this is one kind of learning. Okay, am I clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
So Fatima has computer science. You wanna
Yeah.
try applying this from today.
Okay.
Hamida, what do you want to be?
I want to be a manager, sir.
Manager. What does manager do? They're good at managing. Start managing some things, like make a diary, make some logs, make a list of all the topics in mathematics. Divide your time, manage your time. Like in from 20 for 24 hours, what do you do? Give yourself some tasks, manage yourself, not your mom or dad or your smaller brothers and sisters. Manage yourself, do something
Okay.
like that. Management is gonna come. And just not just study mathematics and English, do these things. These are so easy. You're gonna want to understand the value of education is just to make you a human being. Like it's a system, it's not a must to do. Like people who doesn't know education, they also can earn money. Okay, but I'm just saying, try to be focused on what you are doing, try to apply it in a unique way so that you are happy. And if a person is like the same age as you and doing much better than you, try to learn from it. Being humble, asking his assistance. Okay, don't just like neglect this person, like, oh no, I'm just like, I cannot handle because there's so much jealousy. Oh yeah, I used to do that. I was so naive when I was young. So you're in university, as in university you're gonna know a lot about it, just not books. I'm not like a bookish teacher. You will see that I give you less worksheets, I would give you less studies. I will talk to you, have fun, listen music a lot. So just what I'm saying is, you have to be knowing your surrounding, you have to apply mathematics in real life. Then it's called mathematician. You're not learning, man. Just don't do that. You are already old enough to learn in a university now. So just believe in yourself that you can be a computer scientist and see the routine of a computer scientist. Like if you search on a routine of a computer scientist on Google or routine of a manager in Google, you're going to see thousands of managers saying hundreds of words, quotes. What do they do in every day? Try to like put it down in your diary and you find some valuable lessons from there, like their secrets, the secrets they follow to be successful in life. Okay, am I clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
So I'm talking way too much because today is like there's not way too much students. I want to all of you to learn fraction and decimal. Okay, so let's just start without further ado. I have to open up my thing and I have given the attendance. Yeah, team. Oh, yeah, by the way, the number system exercise. There are some irrelevant word problems. Okay, the ones that I didn't teach. So if you can do the NS worksheet, try to remember that you can skip it. You don't have to solve everything. Okay, are we clear?
Yes,
What?
sir.
I'm just talking about the worksheet yesterday that I have provided you in the Google chat and WhatsApp, I think. No, I don't remember WhatsApp, Google Classroom. The one that I give a 15-day deadline to finish. All of it, there's some complicated mathematics that you cannot do that I haven't taught you. You skip those, okay? All of you.
Okay.
If you can do it, then it's called like you're really good mathematics. But I would just say if you cannot do it, you just skip it and leave it to me. I will just try to solve it in future. Okay. Let's start with the basic things now, like Microsoft Whiteboard. That's what I was missing. I was just thinking something missing. I was trying to share a lot of screens and I was like, I don't know what I'm gonna share now. I just remember I didn't turn on Microsoft Whiteboard. So are we feeling confident and brave today? All of you.
Yes.
Very good. And are you gonna be a computer engineer? Fatima, computer?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are gonna be a computer engineer. Yeah, inshallah. Okay, believe it. Okay, share
Yeah.
screen and then Microsoft Whiteboard. Okay, do you see it, all of you? So what we will learn today is from your book, the one that I bad PDF that I shared. I will try to give it to you like this thing that we learned. Okay, there are some type of number sequential thing that we have to learn. It's called pattern. Do you want to learn pattern or do you want to learn fraction today? What do you say?
Mhm.
Oh,
Relative fraction.
yeah, fraction. Let's see.
Fraction.
Wait, we came to 1.6 exercise, okay, in the book, and then there's the number patterns. And after that, there is fraction and decimals. Okay, we can do fraction and decimals. Before that, let me get that. Yeah. So there's a cute comic, okay, fraction, and there is a story here, like a comic. I wish I could send it to you. How will I do that? I can send it here. I can send it. Okay, never mind. I can just say that to you. So today is fractions, decimals, and approximations. Okay, decimals, and try to write that in your copy, like the things that I'm typing down. Okay, so that you will remember what you studied today. So there's a comic that says making dessert. Okay, there's a big what is it called? Uh, elder sister talking to a younger sister. Okay, the elder sister says the recipe says 1 kg of flour for 8 people. how much will that for be 6 of us? The recipe says, again, 1 kilogram, 1 kg of flour for 8 people. For 8 people, 1 kg. How much will that be for 6 people? Okay. And then the younger sister who knows fraction, she's like 6 by 8, because 6 of us and we have out of 8, 6 by 8 is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 of 1 kg is 750 grams. Okay, I will just give it to you. 6 by 8, because they have 6 house members, and the older people, older sister says 1 kg for 8 people. Okay, and they have 6 member in the family, so that's why they have 6 out of 8 is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 of 1 kilogram is what? 750 grams. Okay,
Yes.
so we need 750 gram of flour. That's what the younger sister says. Then she goes to the shopkeeper. Oops, we only have 350 grams. Lily, go and buy another 400 gram of flour from the shop. Oh, not the shopkeeper, it's the father. Okay, father drops the weight in the thing, and they have 350 grams. How much they have? 350 gram. Okay, and they
Yeah.
need 400 gram more. So Lily went to the shop and bought 400 grams. Okay, this is a real life application that you'll see in your house. Like when you need in the morning, some of you eat wheat, like roti, we say. Okay, like 1 kilograms of flour. You need to make bread. Okay, so that's how. So they have 6 people in the family. For 8 people, it's 1 kilogram. For 6 people, it's 6 by 8 of 1 kilogram.
1 kilogram.
Okay, I'll give you another example. I'm just confusing you right now. I'm so sorry. Okay, 8
No, sir,
people,
it was so clear.
8 people eats 1 kilogram. 1 people
Yeah.
eat 1 by 8 kilogram.
8
6 people eat 6 by 8
6 by 8.
kilogram. So that thing is 6 by 8 of 1 kilogram. Then comes the unit. 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram is 1000 gram. All right. So 3 by 4. You divide this with 2. You get 3. You get 4. 3 by 4 of 1000. So if you divide it with 100, you get 250, and multiply with 3, you get 750. Are we clear? That's how we do word problems like this.
Yes.
Okay. So that's the example of how the girl used mathematics in real life. Like you will have sometimes see that you are requiring to buy 1 kilograms, but hold on, sometimes you have leftovers like the girl did. So they have 350 gram, so they need 400 gram only, not 1000 gram or 1 kilogram. They just need 400 grams. Okay.
400 gram.
So I'm just giving you an example what fractions. So we used the technique of fraction, which is A by B. We use that technique. Okay, so that is called a real life application that you can use to buy breads. Okay, in fractions we have some things like numerator and denominator. Okay, it's chapter 2. So
Yeah.
2.1 is fractions. In fractions, we get to know about numerator. I'm looking in the book and I'm teaching you. Okay. So that's why it's like this, denominator. If I teach by memory, or I took class from memory, by the way, in the first 2, 3, 4 classes, you know. I took like, I learned it and I took classes by memory. That's harder. If you have like topics, it's much easier and organized, and you're gonna find it in the book. So that's why. So let me give you an example, like 3 by 4. Fatima was what is it called? She's interacting. Where is wait, let me see your name. Hamida and Suraya, please talk to me, okay? Hamida, talk to me. Are you there?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you're gonna interact with me. So what are we gonna learn now? 2.1, fractions, numerator and denominator, okay?
Okay.
So what is it called? 3 by 4, what is it called?
It's a fraction.
Very good. It's a fraction. So what is 3 here and a 4 here? What is 3 here?
3 is
Numerator.
Numerator. Okay.
numerator.
On the upper side, 3 lives in upper side, 4 is in below side.
Yeah.
You calls numerator, this one, okay?
Numerator. Yeah.
And 4 called denominator.
Denominator. Yeah.
Denominator. Terminator, denominator. So that's the basic. Okay, do we understand?
Yeah.
Do you
Yes, sir.
understand? Yeah, Hamida. Yeah, thank you very much. So that's like the basic of the first 2.1 that we have learned. And then we're gonna learn, oh, there's also a technique to do something. How can I add this? Wait, let me add a table. I think that is possible to make a table. Follow-up list. Oh no, this is not possible. Okay, how about in the with the paper? What's your favorite color, Hamida?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, with the blue. Okay, it's not blue. It's kind of like a little bit. Forgot what is the name called. You will see. You can name it. So this is a table. It's kind of like one category of blue. Okay, so we are gonna draw 2 by 3. How many boxes are here, Hamida?
3.
So denominator is 3. Out, we say like when I give you marks out of 100, you're gonna get 100 out of 100. Okay, inshallah, all of you. So some of you will get like 80 out of 100. No, that's not possible actually. People get like 100 out of 100. So 80 out of 100. So what we say, 100 is the most, like that is the place that you are gonna be like, oh, out of everything, like if I say it's a whole room, the size of it is 100. If I say the whole question papers, okay, all the mathematics in it, and when I give you marks, it's 100. Okay, Hamida.
Okay, sir.
So we're gonna determine 2 by 3. 2 by 3. So what is 2 here? We're gonna draw a box. 2 by 3 means this. 2 out of 3. Okay, this is whole is 3. Do we understand?
Yes, sir.
So easy, right? Fraction. But yet fraction is so confusing when you don't know examples. Okay, try to remember the examples, try to draw, try to write, try to analyze, looking at your surroundings, how many objects that you have, a pen, a paper, a water bottle, a mobile phone. Okay, lots of things that you have. Maybe if I tell you like how many things that you have and how many things are necessary from there for the class, you have lots of things. Like right now you're in the room, you have maybe a laptop, you have a headphone, you have if you look behind, you have lots of things like a bed, a pillow, your chair, a door, a box, lots of books. So how many things are necessary here? Out of 10, there's only necessary your mobile phone, your copy, and your pen. Okay, so only 3 out of 10,
10.
right, Hamida?
Yes, sir.
So that's how we do it, real life application. Okay, please always try to do real life application. Every time you're gonna study mathematics, you're gonna be not like, oh, this is called numerator, this is called denominator. Don't do that. Forget what is numerator, forget what is denominator. No worries. Try to remember the examples, or how do you determine things. If you forget what you learned, like, it's not a big problem. But if you analyzed what you learned, or you can do application, then you're gonna understand mathematics. That's called mathematics, just not naming them numerator and denominator. Okay, are we clear? Yeah, but you do not
Yes,
have to
sir.
know numerator and denominator, because you have to, if I say in the exam, like, what is numerator here out of 3 by 4, you have to name 3. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then we have equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction, what does the word equivalent mean? Equivalent fraction. Okay, okay. Okay, the word equivalent, let me get the definition from Google. Equivalent, got it. Equivalent is equal in force,
Similar.
amount, or value, equal in area. Like,
Yeah.
Let me drink a sip of water. So,
Okay.
so equivalent is something like that. How will I say it? It's a
Equal fractions.
no, not through fractions. I want to say a real life application. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, studies. What does Hamida do? Hamida is gonna be a bank manager. So yeah, okay. Think about Hamida wants to be a bank manager. Okay. Okay. So she wants to be a bank manager. So she has to go equivalently as a person who's a manager or bank. Okay, I don't have to write bank. You just want to be a manager. Okay. Think about like the manager, what they do. They like organize, they organize. Okay. They combine all the things that they have, they divide people, they do tasks, like assign tasks. Okay, they just don't do it, they don't do all by themselves, they have to manage. Managing is way harder than doing it itself. Understand? If you know you have been given like 1 2 3 people, like this people is good with mathematics, this people is science, this people is biology, so you have to manage them, that this guy gets mathematics, this guy actually get uh, science, this guy gets biology. Okay, so it's a manager what he does. So your work is equivalent to a bank manager. Understand? So a bank manager does all the things, and as a student, you want to do all the things. So if you are going to do it, it kind of like equals to that, but it's not equal, it's equivalent. It's not equal. It's kind of go in the same way, like you are doing same way, equivalent, but it's not equals to. Understand? Like you cannot act like him exactly the way that he lives his life, but your life can go equivalently like him. Okay, Hamida? Hamida, please say yes, otherwise I keep talking.
Yes, sir.
You understand like the value of yes, like I will keep talking because I will think you don't understand. So you are familiar with the term equivalent. I'll think. So equivalent is almost like equal but not equal. Okay, it's kind of different. I would say how, like think about 8 by 10. Okay, if we divide 8 by 8 to 2, 10 to 2, we get 4 by 5. Do we not? Do we get like if I divide by both sides, we get 4 and we get a 5. Okay, so it's called 8 by 10 is equivalent to 4 by 5. This is
4 by
called
5.
equivalent fraction. Fatima,
Yes, sir.
what is equivalent fraction?
Equivalent fractions, like equal fractions, same fractions.
Almost same, but not exactly same. I would say
Almost
like
same, yeah.
how? Not exactly same, but if you have to
No,
divide like,
almost.
okay, how about like this? I will draw 10 boxes.
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then 5 other boxes here. So what do we have here? A box of 10. We will try to make 8 by 10. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Oh,
5, 6, 7,
7
8.
and
What
8.
do we have? 8 by 10. And
8 by 10.
let's draw a 4 by 5. Okay, I'll draw it. Let I draw a 4 by 5. Then here is a box of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, then 4 by 5. So what do we have? How many boxes shall I cross?
5 boxes in.
4 out of 5. Okay, so this thing, look at this, the
Yes.
quantity here, the quantity here, and the quantity here aren't the same.
It's like contractions, right?
Mm. Mm-hmm.
For example, in English, you have I am, the contraction is So it's like contraction. Yes.
Contractions? I don't know what is definition of it. Please do tell me. I want to know.
Okay,
Yeah.
contraction is like I am separately.
Mm-hmm.
And if you want to contract it, you say Just
Ah.
like that.
Oh, I
And
see.
it sounds like contractions.
I am, we say, like this.
Yeah.
It's a contraction.
Yes, yes.
Small
Yes.
it. That's good. But we didn't. Yeah, we did actually. We did. Very good. That's a good example. So, Hamida, Suraya.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do you understand?
Yes, sir. It's so easy.
Little kids, do you understand? I'm sorry, I'm kidding. So, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And can you give me some examples? Give me an example of a equivalent fraction, Hamida.
Sir,
Suraya, yeah.
yeah, it should be equivalent.
Mm-hmm. Equivalent. Two fractions. Like one
Okay,
fraction.
2. 2 by no. Yeah, 2. Yes, 4.
By 4.
Yeah.
Mhm.
4 by 8.
4 by 8. Yeah.
I don't know. It's
Yes, correct. We divide, we get 2, we get 4.
4. Yeah.
It's an equivalent fraction. Also, we get 1 by 2.
2. Yeah.
1 by 2 is equivalent to 4 by 8. Wait, let me remove this.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
You're correct. Thank you very much. What about Hamida? Give me an example, equivalent.
0 by 5.
Really? Okay. 0 by 5. Hello?
It can be 1 out of no.
Yeah,
1 by
don't choose
It
0.
can be 0.
Don't
It
choose
can be
0.
1, not 0. 0 is not.
0 is nothing. Okay, in a box, there's 5 things, okay? You just put
Yeah,
nothing.
it's wrong.
Yeah,
It
1,
should be
2,
1
3,
or
4,
something
5.
else.
No, it's fine. It's also fine. Okay. She just didn't put anything in the box, okay? The box is empty. Okay, that's possible. Like some people get 0 out of 100, right? That means they get 0. That's what I'm saying. It is possible, but 0 is not a fraction, okay? Remember that. 0 can be a fraction like that if you put an under. It's a whole number. It's a
Sir,
whole
what's
number.
the equivalent?
Equivalent?
No, equivalent.
Equivalent? What is the equivalent?
What's the equivalent of a 0 by 5?
Oh my God.
This is
Equivalent. She
equivalent.
means equivalent. Yeah.
This one,
Yeah,
then you missed a VA, you know? You
Equivalent.
said
Yeah.
equivalent.
No,
Yeah.
she means equivalent.
Where is this? Va. Okay. Hamida,
Yes, sir.
try with me. Equi, va,
What?
lent.
Equivalent.
Equi, va, lent. Okay. Hamida,
Yes, sir.
try it.
Equivalent.
Very good. Outstanding. Okay. So you give me another example.
So can I say once?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, 60 by 48.
60 by 48.
That equals 5 by 2.
5 by
2.
2. Oh,
Yes.
it's 24. You divided it with 24?
12.
Damn.
It's impossible for 24 and also it's
Wait,
possible
12.
for 12.
If it's
Yeah.
12, you can divide 4 times. If it's 24, you get 2. You divide
Yeah, 24.
4, wait, 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 2 is... No, wait, what? It's not possible.
No, sorry, 5 by 4.
5 by 4. Yes, it is not possible. That's what I was saying.
5 by 4.
Yeah, because we divided with 12. We get
Yes.
12 times
We
4
divide by
is...
12.
And 12 times
48.
5.
5 is 60.
Yeah. This one is this. This one is this. Fancy. Fatima is going fancy. Ooh.
Thank you, sir.
Hamida, come on.
Okay, sir. I didn't understand the equivalent. What is this?
Okay, I'll tell you again. Okay, no worries. Okay.
Can I say it in Persian for her?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead,
Persian
Fatima.
name. حمیده جان این همون انواع تقسیم که داشتیم تقسیم های مشابه که میگفتیم مثلا 60 بر 48 تشابه داشت با 5 بر 2 یعنی اونو 5 بر 4 که ضرب 12 کنیم 5 ضرب 12 میشه 60 و 2 ضرب 12 میشه 4 ضرب 12 میشه 48 یعنی مشابه باشن با یک دیگه با صورت مخرج ضرب یک عدد کنیم که کسر مقابل به دست بیاد این درس all
یعنی در یک عدد باید تقسیم شون هر دوتاش؟
دوتاش تقسیم شد باز مقابلش با دست بیاد البته طور تقسیم شد که جوابش پس یک نیاد یعنی الان همین 60 بر 48 یا مثلا که خود شما گفتین 0 بر 5 این اکوالش هر چی که میتونه باشه الان صورت مخرج باید ضرب یک عدد شود که یک چیز دیگه با دست بیاد البته جوابش عدد حقیقی نشه باید جوابش هم کسری باشه
باید کسری باشه
باید کسری باشه چون اگه جوابش یک چیز بیاد خب بازو فرکشن ساده میشه نه به خاطر جواب باید کسری بس بیاد اکویوالنت مشابه کسرهای مشابه
تشکر خیلی
خواهش میکنم and that's also she knew
Amida, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Look at this, look at that. It is 4 by 6. Okay, how can we write 2 into 2 by 4? 6 equals to 2 into 3 by 6. Okay, right?
6.
We can write that. So you cross this 2. Okay, you get 2 by 2 and you get what? 2 by 3. So what is it? What is it? Let me draw a box. You see 2 by 3, right? We draw
Okay.
3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. And you get 2. It's called 2 by 3. All right. And then
Yeah.
for this is the big one that you had, equivalent. Why we say equivalent or equivalent? How do you say that? I don't know. I'm not so good in English. Okay. We get 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you see?
6, yeah.
So you get like 4 boxes from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you see, like this 2 and this 4 are kind of same. They're kind of like taking the same amount of places, right?
Yes, sir.
So it's called equivalent. So like that is called like the amount that place that the fractions are taking. So you do it like this: 4 by 6, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, like make them simplified, and then divide 2 out of 2 and you get a 2 by 3. So what is like that? 4 by 6 actually 2 by 3. You remove this term, you get 4 by 6 equals to 2 by 3. It's called equal. You see equal. Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
So equivalent is equal. Okay, equally balanced. Actually, that's kind of like makes more sense. Equivalent is not actually equal, but you can also say it's equal. It's fine. So did you understand, Hamida?
Yes, sir. Thank
Give
you.
me example. No, give me example. No, thank you.
Example.
Mhm.
12 by 6.
Okay.
It's equal to 2
Mhm.
by 1.
Very good. Yeah, you got it. Good. It is possible. Okay. Okay.
It's true.
Yeah, it's correct. It's correct. We can add 1 here in the middle, in the down, but it's fine. It's still a fraction. But try not to do like improper fraction. It's an improper fraction. Use it improper fraction. Like if I draw box, like 6 box, okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you're like this. You wanted to put something in the boxes like books, and you put like this. Put boxes and you like throw it outside. You understand? That's
What?
like 12 by 6. 12 by
Okay.
6. Like there's 6 spaces that you put 12 books. So the other books fell off. So yeah, it can also be possible, but try to give me a proper fraction again. Like try again. Like this time, numerator is smaller. Okay, try to do it. Come on, Hamida, you can do it.
7 by
Huh?
7
Mm-hmm.
by 2.
Again. No, numerator is smaller. This one 7 and it's gonna be 21, something like that, or 28.
Okay.
Okay, something like that. Do something like that. The below ones is bigger. Don't
The
be
below
confused.
should be
حمیده
bigger.
جان
Yeah, the below should be bigger.
صورت بزرگتر از مخرج باشه.
22 by 3.
Again. No, 22 by what? 30. Tell me something bigger than
نه
باز صورت
چی است
بزرگتر شد.
حمیده صورت
صورت
کوچکتر از چی
بزرگتر
باشه
بگی. سوری
نه
صورت
صورت
کوچکتر باشه.
چی خردتر از مخرج باشه خب
آه.
این قسم میشه خرد باشه صورت خرد باشه مخرج کوچک باشه
مخرج کلان باشه.
44.
کلان باشه
44. There you go. What we will get?
11
11 by
to 22.
25 divide with what I'm gonna get. If I divide 2, yeah, I'm gonna 11 and 22. Very
yes
good.
possible
Finally, she did it.
finally
Congratulations, Hamida. You learned equivalent fraction. You have to understand it a lot better. I will give you exercises. You have to do it like this, like 6 by 10. You like write 2 into 3. You write 2 into 5. Can we not write like this, Hamida?
Yes, sir.
Like the upper side is 2 times 3 equals to 6. The below ones is 2 times 5 equals to 10. 10. It looks like 11, sorry. So we cut 2 to,
Yes.
and we get 3 by
3 by 5.
5. It's called equivalent. So we remove this. We remove this. 6 by 10 equals to 3 by 5. You understand, Hamida?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good girl. So thank you very much, Fatima and Suraya, helping me understand her. Okay.
You're welcome.
Yeah, don't worry, Hamida. Keep trying mathematics. If you try it in copies, you're gonna get it. Okay, now we're gonna learn reduction to lower side. What we're gonna learn, tell me? Reduction to lower terms. Reduction to lower terms. It's really easy. What you have to do is like take a similar number, lowest term, not lower term, sorry. Lowest term. You take a number and you divide it, keep dividing it. Okay, like this. I'll give you an example. 24 by 36. Okay, let us divide it. Come on, Fatima, you can do it. Divide 24 with 2.
With 2, that
With
12.
2. 12.
Yeah.
And then the downside?
The downside is 80.
Very good, 18. And then again divide it.
6
6. And then?
and 9.
9. And then again divide it.
Yeah, 3. No, 2
2 and?
2 by
and 3.
Very good, very good. Outstanding. So what you get is from this we get this. From this we get this. We divide both sides with 2 and we get 12 by 18. And we divide 12 and 18 again with 2. We get 6 by 9. We get again divide with 3. With 3 we get 2 by 3.
Yes, sir.
So how will you like try to do it in class? Like what is it called? There's lots of ways of doing that. You can also do this like the way that I showed you, like multiply with all the things that possible with 24. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 4 4 2 8 3 8 24. It's in Bengali, sorry. So 2 times are 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. You can like write 36 as 2 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Chart. Okay, wait. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Help me.
2.
8 2s are?
8
2.
2.
Wait,
16.
8 2s are 16. I know. Then how can it be 36? Wait, I forgot how to do
Sir,
mathematics.
use the multiply of 12. That will be so easy.
Yeah,
12.
wait.
12 is 24.
2 ones are, then I have 18. Oh, there's 9. I did a mistake. Then 2 is a 9, and then 2 is a 3. Okay, you see that the mistake that I did, that's why I couldn't complete it. Wait, is that the mistake? It's 3. It's a 3. 3 times 3. Do you understand? So, like this. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Okay, clear?
Yes.
So if you want to do it like this, you have to do it like this. All of you remember division method, like do it like this. Then you're gonna be easily capable of doing this thing. Like do it in the rough. So what do we have? What do we do now? Lowest term, right? We divide the common ones.
Cross.
We divide the common ones and you get 2 by.
2 by 3.
Is it easy to understand or did I confuse you? Tell me.
It's okay.
It's so easy, sir.
It's so easy, right? Thank you, Suraya. Hey, Hamida,
What?
did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Comparison of fraction. Then we're gonna learn comparison of fraction. Wait, tell me no. Oh yes, comparison. That is important. This is new. Comparison of fraction. Like what is bigger, what is lower. What easiest way to do is just like draw diagrams. Easiest way of doing it. Like let me tell you, 4 by 8 bigger or 7 by 12 is bigger. Tell me, what can be bigger between
7
them?
by 12.
Is bigger, right?
Yes.
That's one way of detecting things. Like I'll tell you how. 4 by 8 is like half, right? What will be 7 by 12? 7 by 12, 6 by 12 is half, right? Right, guys?
Yes.
Like that's one way of determining things. Like if you want to do it with fraction, like 6 by 12 is half, 6 by 12, but it's much one more than 6. Okay, it's 7, so it's larger. So
Okay.
that way you can determine it, but you don't have to do it that way. 4 times 12, 4 times 12 is less than 7 times 8. Okay, they do cross multiplication. How did they do it? Cross multiplication. They did multiplied with it and this. Like 4 times 12 is less than 7 times 8. Sorry, is less than 7 times 8. What do we get? 4 times 12 is 48. 7 times 8 is 56. So that's one way of determining things, like cross multiplication, easy way. What do? Like you put the, I'll do it again, 4 by 8, then 7 by 12. What we do? Cross multiplication. We multiply 4 with 12, this, and 8 with 7. Which one is bigger?
7 by 8.
7 by 8. 7 by 8. That's called cross multiplication. So that means 4 by 8 is lesser than 7 by 12. Also there's another way how you can determine it. You get 8 boxes. Okay, that's thinking. Like if it comes to your mathematics, sometimes we get confused when we see different type of fractions like this, 4 by 12 and then 16 by 18. We get different type of fraction. Which one is bigger? How about think a big box that has 12 boxes in it, the first one. Okay, we get 12 boxes. You can think it really fast. You draw it slowly, but you can think really fast. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and we divide with it like this. All right, we get 12 boxes, correct? And for 12 box we get 4 from here. Okay, this one we take and we have this spaces, and we write another 18 boxes. Wait, let me try to do like in the same amount so that you can see. It's gonna be easy for you. So 18 boxes we will get 18 boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, do you get 18 boxes? And what was the question again? I forgot. 12 by 16 by 18, right?
Yes, 16 by 18.
So we get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Which one is bigger?
16 by 18.
This one is bigger. This one is smaller.
Bigger.
So this one is smaller.
It's smaller, yeah.
So smaller, it's smaller. I will just like this. Okay. So which one is bigger? This one. See, 16 by 18. Think about a
18.
box. Every time, kind of like think a big box. Try to put the numbers in that. That is gonna get a really good mention. Okay, wait. Let me draw it. Then 4 by 12 is less than 16 by
16 by
18.
18.
Do we understand? Clear?
Yes, sir.
We're gonna do some more exercises on it in future, because this one will be a little bit trickier when you see the same type of numbers. Like, okay, look at this. It's much easier. If you see 12 by 3, it's always gonna be bigger, lesser than 4 by 12, because they have both 12 as denominator. Always try to remember denominator is gonna be the size of the room. Denominator will be the size of the room, and numerator will be the place that is taken. Do we understand?
Yes, sir.
And denominator will be the size of the room, and the numerator is the place taken. Okay, so we get 4. So 4, this one is bigger than this one. Hamida, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Very good. What is your name, Hamida?
What?
What is your name, Hamida? Your name is Hamida. Okay, then we have improper fraction and mixed numbers. Okay, improper fraction. This is the last topic, and mixed numbers. Miss Fatima, the fancy girl, tell me some. Tell me some mixed number. Give me one mixed number.
Numbers?
Yeah.
156.
156. This big?
Yes.
156 is a mixed number?
I think it's.
No.
So how mixed number?
Like, I'll tell you. 1 whole 1 by 4. This is a mixed number.
Okay, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Because I know this term is kind of like come to you like integer. Like when we say integer,
yeah,
suddenly we don't remember what is integer. That's like naming things, you know. That's what the tough things were. You know what happened with Bibi Khadija? This poor girl didn't understand the first class. I should have always asked you questions, you know. I always have to ask you questions. Otherwise, I don't know who's get it or who's not getting it, you know.
Yeah.
I don't have a way of seeing you like in real face to face. If I saw your faces, I would get like who is getting it and who's not getting it, because the people who are like don't understand mathematics, they're so confused in the class. They have a face like what,
yes,
what, and the people who are like understanding classes, they're like just looking at the copy and the board book and the copy. It's like just writing the word, and the ones that doesn't understand, they look around, you know. So easy to understand. Like if I see a student like looking around, I'm gonna go to him and just ask her like, did you understand, son? And he's gonna be like, yes. Like, no, don't lie to me. Did you really understand? And then like it's like Johnny, no, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, something like that, you know. So let me tell you, improper fraction is one of those fractions. Okay, what did we learn before? Real number. Okay, we learned real numbers. Okay, message. Okay, we learned real number, and after real number we get rational and irrational. Okay, rational number can be divided into two things:
fraction.
Yeah, fraction and
decimal. No.
Integer. Okay. And then fraction can be divided into two parts: proper fraction, improper fraction. All right. All right. So we get improper fraction from here. So let me give you an example. Proper fraction is 3 by 4. What is improper fraction can be? The numerator is less than the denominator in proper fraction. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. It's like Hamida's favorite numbers, you know. She was always telling improper fractions. Hamida, 22 by 5. This is the improper fraction. Now you get improper fraction. So, like this, Hamida tried to put books in shelf. Like this, 12 by 6. What happened? She has 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So she wanted to put 12 boxes. This is like literally the window. There's a guy walking by. La 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 la. Okay. So she put books 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and she doesn't care about other books. Like she's putting it like here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this guy's like, broom, and he's dead. And he's dead, like he's like literally got down. And then they need Suraya because the medical student there. Like coming with the van. So, Suraya comes out and like, no worries, I'm gonna save you. Right. So this is Hamida. She put boxes like I'm sorry, I'm just not making jokes. Hamida, don't worry. Okay. Do you mind? Okay. Help angel is Suraya. Yeah, she comes. And the poor guy was me.
Yeah.
Okay. So improper fraction 12 by 5. What we get? We divide 12 by 5. 5 2s are 10. Oh, Fatima. Fatima. Oh, Fatima was the driver. She was coming. And then Suraya got down, and then yeah, and there was this police inspector. Like this is a girl from Team E who wants to be a police inspector or detective. Was it from here or Team? Yeah, Team E. So they're gonna be police inspector catching Hamida after that. So 2 times 5 is 10. We get 2. So how will you write 2? You can write like this. I forgot what is it called. I think it's called quotient. Quotient. I think something like that. So you can write like this: 2 whole 5 by 2. This one. You put 2 here. You put 5 here, and you put this 2 here. Do we understand? Let me give you a more example. Like, give me a number, Miss Hamida. Come on.
Okay.
Improper fraction. Yeah.
33
33
by 3.
Oh, this is a whole number. Then you get 11.
Okay.
You don't give 3. You give something else.
It should be bigger.
No, smaller. You were correct, but don't make it whole division. Like give some uneven number. It's a
12.
12. Yeah, very good. Give me 12. Okay, 12. Fatima.
Where, sir?
Divide. How many? 12 twos are?
12.
Twos are? What? 12 twos are what?
12 to 0.
20?
32.
4.
3. Okay.
12
This
twos are?
24, right?
12 twos are 24. You get what?
Yes.
9. Okay.
98. Yeah.
So you write the mixed number 2 whole 9, sorry, 2 whole 12 by 9.
12 by 9.
Okay. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can actually smaller it down. Actually, you can make it more smaller. True. You can make it more small, like 3 by 4. Oh, I don't have any time left. Oh, that was such a fun class.
Sir, I didn't understand the second part.
Okay, I'll tell you what. Give you an example of it. 33 by 12. Okay, we get mixed number from it. We get mixed number from it. We divide 33 by 3. We get 11.
How?
We get 4.
Yes.
So it's a big number. We could have divided with 3. I didn't realize it. So you get, if you divide 33 divided by 3 is 11. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now you understand?
Yes, sir.
So you divide 4 by 11. What you get? 4 2s are 8. 1, 2, 3.
2. Yes.
Yeah, 3. So 2 whole 4 by 3.
4 by 3.
Okay.
3
The
by
thing that I did was 12 by 33. Okay. So what we get? 12 2s are 24. We get 9.
How did
So,
you write it?
which one?
This one. 11. 4, 11.
Oh, because I divide it with 3. I get, if I divide
I know that this one. Yes.
this one,
No.
this one.
Yes.
Okay, I did, like, I'll do it again. Did you understand this? 11 by 4.
Yes.
You put 11 and you divide by 4. Okay.
Okay.
4 2s are
8. And remaining is 3.
9 10 11. Okay.
Okay.
So you have a 2. You put 2. Okay. You get 4. 4. And you get 3. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So I'll remove this. I'll show you what. This is a improper fraction. This one.
Okay.
This is a mixed number. Okay. So this is called improper fraction and mixed number. Improper fraction are called improper fraction. I wanted to show you like that because the numerator, the upper side is bigger than denominator is bigger. It's big. Okay. So it's bigger than the denominator. So it's called improper fraction. And if you get like this, 12 by 5, it's a improper fraction because the denominator is small, the numerator is big. And how do you get mixed fraction? You divide 12 with 5. Like you divide 12 by 5 and you get 5 2s are 10 and 2 left over. So the mixed number becomes 2 whole 5 by 2. Okay. Do you understand, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Goodbye. Have a good day. Thank you. It was fun. Hey, listen, if you're having trouble, I will share you the book pages, okay, with a PDF. I'll make a PDF with taking photos. I'll send the pages in WhatsApp or Google Chat, probably Google Chat. Okay. Hamida, especially Hamida, you will do all the mathematics or learn it all. Okay, Hamida?
Okay, sir.
Yes, you're gonna do it. What is it called? Manhubam? How do you say it, right? Ballet. How do you say ballet? Ballet. Ballet. Okay, bye-bye. Bale means yes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
I learned a little bit of Persian from my friend who's from Iran.
Yeah.
Okay. I told him that I teach Afghani students who talks in Persian. It's so fun. Thank you very much, Hamida and Fatima and Suraya. Meet you tomorrow.
Okay, see you.
See you.
Okay.
Take care.